Yes, RC got one out here with RC Gigantic. Gigantic behind the trigger. Of the Traxxas 110 scale, 4x4. Stampede. Just out here bashing with it, seeing what it do. It run pretty good. Bringing in that curve. Come on out of it. Yes, sir. Want to stand up a little bit. You want to hop on the other end a little bit. Yes, sir. That nothing but torque right there. Nowhere near the bottom of the trigger. Yes, sir. Ooh, why I want to act like that? Can you hold it? I believe so. RC Gigantic coming in now. Coming in now. Uh-oh, coming out of there. Gone. Up through yonder they go. Now that's a boy dog. And it's on the hunt. Fastest stampede in the south. Fastest stampede in the south. On rubber tires. On road. What can you do with it? Check it out. Come on now. Show them something. Ooh. Backyard built. Yes, sir. Filmed by the one and only RC God 1. And I'm out.